Hello, doers. My name is Jose Ignacio. If you haven't used it yet, Odoo's appointment app is an awesome tool that makes it super easy for people to book meetings, consultations, or services with your business without all of that back and forth email. So it connects seamlessly with the rest of your Odoo apps. That way you can give your customers a smooth, hassle-free booking experience. So let's jump in and see how easy it is to create a brand new booking experience. So we've just remodeled our furniture showroom and we want to offer tours to potential customers. So starting from the main dashboard where we are right now, let's head on over to our appointments application. And the first thing we need to do is set up our resource. In this case, it's our showroom. So I'm actually going to go up to the top and select configuration and then resources. Okay, now you're going to select new. We've done this dance a bunch of times. Let's title this one Furniture Showroom. Let's keep it pretty basic on the names. Our capacity is 5. It's a smaller one. And I'm also going to do something fancy. Select this little pencil on the far right, and we're actually going to add a picture of our showroom. There we go. Now it's nice and fancy. And that's because we want our customers to have a little preview of what they can expect. So now it's time for us to do a description down here below. And this is visible to our customers on our website. So I'm going to write, or very quickly paste, check out all of our latest custom design pieces. Okay, now that we're done with this, let's go set up the appointment type. So I'm going to go back to the appointments dashboard by selecting it up here in the top left. And then once that it loads for us, oh, that's right. We have to make sure that everything saves. And then once that we're done, we're going to select new in the top left corner and we're going to get started. Okay, so it's going to ask us for our appointment title and we're going to name this one Showroom Tour. Perfect. And I'm going to leave both the duration and the create a slot every hour over here set as they are. But I'm going to change the pre-booking time to, we're going to select half an hour. This ensures customers book at least 30 minutes in advance. So over here, I actually need to add our image of what I'm telling them about. So we're going to add our office furniture. There we go. Now we got a nice little preview right there. All right, let's head down. So the scheduling window is actually going to be set to available now, which is what I want, but I am also going to change the allow canceling one over here to 30 minutes before, just because parity, and it allows us to match up right there. So right over here, by the way, where you happen to see the availability on, I want to set the availability on to resources. And then, well, now we can select it. We're going to select our furniture showroom resource that we just created. I'm also going to check this box for manage capacities. Now, the room is pretty spacious, but we want to keep tours limited to 5 people for now. And that's why we selected it earlier. So lastly, we have a assignment method over here. I'm going to leave it as pick user slash resource then time. Since this appointment is only for our showroom, we don't need to worry about this as much. So now let's take a look at the schedule tab. Finally over here. I know you've been staring at it. Okay, so this is the default schedule and it's really convenient. The database automatically generates time slots based on the company's working hours. Notice how all of this, there's actually, oh, you will notice something. Notice how it starts from 9 to 12 and then 14 to 17 military time? Well, it's because there's a built-in break between noon and 2 p.m. It's a nice touch because we want to make sure our employees have time for lunch without a tour getting in the way. You can adjust these hours if you want to for your own office tours only in the morning, or maybe you want to offer them in the afternoon or across all of the full day. I don't care, and you should either. All right, so over here we have the options tab, and I'm going to talk about that. So we have a few other items we can configure. First up, we have front end display over here. I want to make sure it is, well, we want to make sure we show our pictures. We don't want no pictures. We want people to be excited about what they are signing up for. Inside of our location field over here, I am actually going to select Stealthy Wood because that's where our showroom is located. I'm also going to clear out this, well, if you see there's a video conference URL link, we're going to empty that out right there just because we don't need a URL for this meeting. However, this is a handy option to have when scheduling online events like interviews and trainings. Now, one last thing before we publish this appointment. Over here in our questions tab, we can actually add questions the visitors see when they book an appointment. This is a great way to get additional information before people visit us. Maybe we'd like to ask them about what they're looking for ahead of schedule. For this particular appointment, I am going to add a question about the type of products that they're interested in, as I just stated. That way, we can make sure we can tailor the tour just to their interests. So we're going to select add a line. And now we're just going to get started. So for this one, I'm going to ask, what type of furniture do you fancy? I'm trying to make us sound very high end at this point, and this one is going to be multi-line text. I really want them to tell me what furniture they fancy. So now we're going to save and close over here. All right, now it's time to publish the appointment. At this point, I need to click on, we're going to go to website over here. Thank you, Odoo, for auto-saving things. Okay, so now it takes me to the website page with the configuration all set. Then I simply toggle the unpublished to publish right there. And just like that, we've published to make it available for booking. That's all the time I have scheduled for you guys today. See you later, Odooers. Go grab a snack.